Happy birthday, bunso. Balo ko na, masaya ka ngeni. Uling may tupad nga ni gamburi mo. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, nako, laging sana, laging good health, lagi kang masaya, lagi kang mag-ingat. Alam ko naman, mabait kang bata.
Happy birthday na. May ragul ka nga lang mang kini. Tandaan mo, lagi kang kaluguran. Sana mayari kang pamag-aral mo. At hatupad mo tangang pangarap mo, ikaw ka mo sa lesin.
Amis da nakakanyang kasi makona ko. Da nakakanyang kayabing manalbe movie.
I'm truly grateful to have a friend like you. You're so kind and very genuine. Sobrang bait mong tao. Yun lang ang masasabi ko sa'yo.
Chi, always remember na I'm always here for you throughout your journey. I also want to thank you for being the kindest and genuine friend I have. Thank you for making me realize a lot of things and taught me valuable things that I will surely treasure forever.
So who you gonna call when you're standing on top of the world and it still don't feel like victory? I guess the only one left to reach is the Almighty.
Atupad mo yung ganaganang pangarap na buri mo. Lagi mong tandaan na atsuya mo kani palagi din na ati para kaya ka kaluguran da kang sobra na tandaan mo na laban mo, laban tayo ng mga kapatid at panatilian tamo mo yung pamikakalugod tamo.
Guess you figured my 2 times 2 always equates to one dream as a selfish. When it all comes down to it,
I hope one of you come back to remind me of who I was when I go disappear into that good night.
taking it all for us.